if a person is still using Excel, still using piles of receipts, that sort of thing, what software is out there to help them with this MTD?
So 3 softwares we use here. So Xero, QuickBooks or FreeAgent, softwares like those you could use. There is other ones out there.
And how do they help?
So you do your bookkeeping within the software directly. They are also useful for getting different reports. So you can get more accurate or more regular reports in terms of profit and loss, things like that throughout the year. But you can also do the submissions directly to HMRC within that software.
So although people are being forced to go onto these softwares, I'm sure the HMRC are doing
There'll be
uh,
some free
some
software
free software,
available.
but although people will be forced on and obviously still come with bank accounts and that sort of thing, the benefits for them of going onto these bookkeeping softwares could actually help them improve their business because they're going to be dealing with real-time information.
Absolutely, yeah. So they can have more accurate, more regular data available. Also, if they are struggling to keep a track of their turnover for the back threshold, being on software will also support them doing that as well as being able to use the reports within the software to have a look at the business overview or other things like that.
Great. And what about if someone just goes, "Nah, this ain't for me, I'm not going to do it"?
HMRC will know if you should be within the MTD because of your previous turnovers on previous tax returns. So they will enforce fines and penalties for people who don't comply.
Obviously, we said you can't just not do it. Are there any exceptions for people who don't have to do it?
Yes, there is some exceptions with HMRC, but they have to be applied for and HMRC confirm you are exempt from registering.
So in terms of your specific advice, what is it for someone who thinks they're going to be getting close to that turnover figure?
I think speak to your accountant and have that conversation before you get to that tax year where you are compliant to get the processes in place.